Greetings everyone, my name is Tony Holowitz, and in this tutorial I want to talk to you about understanding some of the dimensions of your ACT layout. All these little things combined, all these things you're picking up in these videos will make the design process that much easier if you can take some notes on certain things that are already in place. To show you how to do that, I'm going to go up to Tools, I'm going to go to Design Layouts, and I'm going to go Contact. So now we're inside our layout. I'm going to maximize this window. And some things to know about ACT. One of the things that is really important is this. If you go up and click on View, there's an option here for the Properties window, and I'm going to click on that. You'll notice over here on the right-hand side, a window opened up. I'm going to come to the left edge of it. I'm going to grab and just drag it to the left to make it bigger. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on a field. And when I click on the field over here, it shows me some dimensions, some information about this particular field. It's showing me the border style. It's showing me the field value or the name of the field, which matches what's in the field. It says contact there. It says contact here. It shows me the location of this field, the X and Y location. But I think the most important thing that I want you to take away is the size and the dimension of the fields. If I click on this little circle, it will break it down. And now it's showing me the dimension, the width and the height. And this is something that really, in my opinion, is important to understand, the width and height. So the width and height is important because as you go forward and you add additional fields to ACT, you're going to see by the nature of adding those fields, they sort of come in with dimensions that can be virtually anything because there's a bit of a drawing process. And sometimes you might draw it this size, sometimes you might draw it another size. So having this information as a reference is really important. So make note of the width and height of a field. And once you have this information down, and I'd even go so far as saying, take a screenshot of this, put it in your notes, have a record of it, it makes the design process easier to work with. So bring out the property windows on the right-hand side, click on some different items, observe the sizes and different widths. So you'll see, again, the contact screen, that's 184 by 24, or the field. If I come up to the last email field, that's 109 by 24. So things are a little shorter, and it just helps you in the design process moving forward, having some of this understanding. If you get into the process and you haven't made note of this, click on the field, make this information apparent to you before you get too far into this, because you'll see as we start getting into this and adding stuff, this is good information to have. Thank you, everyone. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach back to me. Be well. Bye now.